Hi Happy Singh, how are you?
Oh, Vari Singh, I am doing great. What about you?
I am great too. I have applied for a sales role in agency channel in your company, Future Generali India Life Insurance, and I have my interview scheduled for next week. Can you tell me a bit about the organization and the roles offered?
Sure, happy to help you out. Future Generali India Life Insurance Company Limited is one of the rapidly growing life insurance companies based on the last 3 years CAGR. We have over 130 branches across India and growing. And to support this continuous expansion, we are always looking for ambitious people who can lead that growth.
Great to hear that. So what is it like to work with a company which is growing at such a fast pace?
Let me tell you 3 good things about working in sales in our company. First, you can look forward to a rewarding career path as we follow a performance-based promotion system and we have high earning incentive schemes. Employees with exceptional performance have got rewarded with multiple promotions. Secondly, we have a fast-track career program in sales which promotes people in sourcing role to supervisory roles. Lastly, the most exciting part, we also have one of the most attractive rewards and recognition program which includes felicitation at international conventions throughout the year. Let me brief you about the sales role in agency. Based on my experience being in a sourcing role in the agency channel, you will be conducting sales through your own pool of advisors. You will have to recruit and manage your own team of advisors and get sales done through the team. You will be reporting to the branch manager. Your day will start with a morning huddle with the team along with the branch manager, and there are weekly training sessions to help you resolve any issues and achieve targets.
And how prepared is the organization to work digitally as that is the need of the hour?
Besides face-to-face interactions, you can conduct sales digitally and remotely with the help of multiple digital applications.
What type of applications are available to enable us to work remotely?
Our company has provided access to several digital tools like Microsoft Teams, chatbots, online recruitment, and business login platforms, a smart verification process, and a lead management system. Besides, we also have FG Smart Mobcast, our mobile e-learning application that enables us to learn and access a variety of content anytime and anywhere.
Great to know that the company has also digitally enabled its sales employees to keep learning at their pace. To do this role, what kind of people is the company looking for?
You should be a good team manager. You should manage your team of advisors by ensuring that they go on sales calls with you on the daily basis and they are aware of respective targets. You should also be strong in your networking skills as it is important to build a connection with the customers and follow up with them. We also want you to have high levels of interpersonal skills, actively listen to customers' requirements and recommend the best possible plan customized to their profile. That's all in the agency channel. Any other queries about the role?
No, thank you. I am quite excited for this career opportunity and eager to join your organization.
Anytime, looking forward to working with you and all the best for your interview.